Hello guys, Matt Diaz here, and I'm just gonna do a video where I just race with some of my friends on Nitro Type. I'll just be racing with a few people that are online. They might not join, but I'll just see what I can do. Start a race here. Hope you guys liked my last video. Please consider subscribing. Just gonna invite everyone I know. I'm not gonna invite Cheeseburger because it's probably I'll just invite him. Some invites. I'll just see who joins and I'll race with them. Like 1 or 2 races. Please like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate that. If you have a Nitro Type account with gold, please donate Nitro Cash to me. I really need Nitro Cash to buy the binary trail, so yeah. Just waiting for someone to join my race. It's sad no one wants to join. Me sad. I'm just gonna do some regular races. Okay, I'm just gonna do a few races. There's Freddy. Just so you guys know and you don't comment, I don't really use nitros unless it's one of my daily challenges because I don't really like using nitros anymore. I used to be a big nitro user. I'll just do maybe 2 more races for you guys, so yeah. Grabby. Oh my god, I have horrible accuracy. Oh god. Oh, by the way guys, I forgot to record this, but I finished the season yesterday. Pretty good. I'm not gonna go into infinite levels. Maybe I will, but yeah. Second place. Oh, by the way, before this video, I was racing with Nikki and Tom, the owner of Switching the Primes. That was pretty fun. I lost both times, which was pretty sad, but still, I raced with someone that had a McLaren. That counts as something. Check out my last video. My what was it? My friends list video. That was, I feel like you guys will like that, so yeah. Okay, this is the last race for you guys, and then I'll let you have the rest of your day. Okay, that is the end of today's video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to MattDeerNT for more awesome content. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.